Talk a little bit about trial strategy and the questions you constantly have to be asking yourself as a trial lawyer. So, as a criminal defense attorney, you spend most of your time listening to the state's witnesses. And as you listen to those state's witnesses, you have to ask yourself at least these questions. Number one, did the state's witness, what they just said, did it hurt me? Okay, are they hurting me? Is this testimony hurting me? That's number one. Number two, did they just violate a rule of evidence? Or did the question violate a rule of evidence? That's number two. And number three, okay, if I get a mistrial, am I going to be able to put my client, my guy, in a better position at the new trial? That's the question, okay? And so you're constantly asking yourself these questions and constantly evaluating things as you're listening to the testimony and as you're thinking about how you can cross-examine the state's witnesses. And that's the hard part of it. So let's say you get a mistrial, okay? And you look at your client and you're like, I just got a mistrial. And your client's like, I'm going right back to jail. Thanks a lot, buddy. And then you have to start trial. And when are you going to get to start trial again? Okay, will it be next month? Will it be next week? Are you going to actually put your guy in a better position? Or is the jury going to hold it against the state that they're asking these questions that the judge is sustaining your objections to? How is that going to all work out? You have to think about those things as you're making your objections when you're preserving error. And the point of preserving error is to get a new trial if you lose. So if the state asks a question and it elicits improper testimony and you get a mistrial, and then you end up with a worse jury, or you end up with a delay in the process, or you go to the back of the pack, all of those things can cause problems for your client in real time. So you have to ask all those questions of yourself as you're making your objections and formulating your trial strategy.